Hello from the dark van. We just got from the car inspection, yearly inspection, and we have to take those lights out because
our back lights.
If we have those lights, we have to pay approximately 10,000 euros of not fines, taxes. Because then the inner limit inside the van is less than 1.9 meters.
And look how thin these are.
Yeah, these are 2 millimeters too wide, or what is it? Thick. And we had a master plan to surprise you, and it failed. We were actually planning to go to Baltic countries, so Estonia, Lithuania and Latvia. And we were planning to go like next week. We were taking the vaccination for the dogs, and because their vaccination is outdated.
Just a little bit. Now they get the new vaccination, but it doesn't kick in
until 21 days.
So we cannot go because we were not careful. But this is not the sad thing, because we are going to do a road trip in Finland.
Yes, 2 weeks road trip to Finland. Actually, for particular, we are going to go road trip through eastern part of Finland. So starting from here and going to eastern part of Finland.
We have not been there yet, so.
Yeah, actually, I was just talking at Joensuu. Joensuu in eastern part of Finland is the northern part of the eastern Finland that I have been.
We are going there, but only kind of bad thing. It's kind of cold here, and we live in south, and we are going north, so it's kind of freezing cold there. But we don't care because we have a wood burner.
And now the real spring comes to Helsinki. As you can see, there's a little green starts coming from the plants.
Yeah, and all the snow is melted from here, so.
So in 1 week or 2 weeks it will be totally green.
Totally green.
So when we come back. Yes, but no plans, nothing. I want to go to Kolinhuippu, which is one of the national sites or something they call it. I want to go there, and that's the only thing.
But we are now in Helsinki Viikki, and we have a tons of laundry to do. So first laundry day, then we can start our epic journey.
Yes.
That costed 18 euros, one machine, kinda a lot.
€1 per kilo.
Yeah.
I think it was half of that during the Europe trip, so 50 cents per kilo.
Yeah. Badamts.
Sipoonkorpi National Park. Actually, this is one of our local wild camping spots that we can use also during the weekdays. It's like, I think, 20 minutes-ish away from workplace, so good place.
And middle of the forest. Joni is knackered. We might go sleep early.
Yeah, it starts tomorrow.
Yeah. See you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching our videos.
Yes.
We never say thank you.
Yeah, we never say thank you, and thank you for commenting, because it's really nice to read those comments. We don't. It's really hard to reply to comments with the phones.
Yeah, but we read everyone, so we really appreciate the comments. And thank you for watching our videos. It warms our heart very much.
Yes, but now some sleepy, and tomorrow is a really nice day.
Yeah. Bye.